Hello, friends. Welcome back to Universal English Learners.
I'm Mark.
And I'm Maloney. Today's topic is something many successful people swear by, waking up at 5 a.m.
We'll talk about how this simple habit can affect your positivity, your health, your finances, and your mental peace.
You'll also learn useful English vocabulary, hear a short story, and pick up some practical tips.
Let's begin, bright and early, just like the habit we're discussing.
Perfect start. Let's go. A conversation about mornings.
Maloney, be honest. What time do you usually wake up?
Honestly, around 8, sometimes later.
I used to be the same, but 3 months ago, I started waking up at 5 a.m. and it completely changed my day.
Really? What made you try it?
I read that many successful entrepreneurs, athletes, and even writers wake up early. They say the early morning hours feel calm, quiet, and completely their own.
That's interesting. What do you actually do with that extra time?
At first, I just sat quietly with a cup of tea. Then I started adding light exercise, some reading, and planning my day before anyone else was even awake.
And how did it affect you?
Honestly, my mood improved. I felt calmer, more organized, and surprisingly less stressed throughout the day.
That's fascinating. I always assumed waking up early would just make me more tired.
I thought so too at first, but once your body adjusts, it actually gives you more energy, not less.
Let's learn some vocabulary around this topic, and then I'll share a short story that shows exactly what you're describing. Key vocabulary and expressions. Let's go through some important words and phrases for talking about early mornings and habits.
First, routine. A set of actions you repeat regularly, often in a specific order.
Example, I created a new morning routine.
Next, discipline. The ability to control yourself and follow a plan even when it's difficult.
Example, waking up early requires discipline.
Then, productive. Doing useful, effective work.
Example, I feel more productive in the early morning.
Next, mindset. A person's general attitude or way of thinking.
Example, a positive mindset helps you handle challenges.
And well-being. A general state of being healthy, happy, and comfortable.
Example, exercise improves both physical and mental well-being.
One more, peace of mind. A calm, settled feeling, free from worry.
Example, quiet mornings give me peace of mind.
Great vocabulary. Let's hear a story that brings this all together.
A short story, The Golden Hour. Let's listen to a story about a woman named Elena who transformed her life through one simple change.
Elena worked long hours at a busy office. Every morning, she woke up at 7:30, rushed through breakfast, and arrived at work already feeling stressed and behind schedule.
Her evenings felt the same way, tired, unmotivated, and mentally drained, with little energy left for herself.
One day, a coworker mentioned something that stayed in Elena's mind.
You know, I started waking up at 5 a.m. a few months ago. Honestly, it changed everything for me. My mood, my health, even my finances. Your finances? How does waking up early affect money? Because that quiet hour gave me time to actually think clearly about my goals, my spending habits, even a small side business I eventually started.
Elena felt curious, though slightly doubtful. That weekend, she decided to try it, just once, to see what would happen.
The first morning was difficult. Her body wanted to stay in bed, but she made a cup of tea, sat by the window, and simply watched the sky slowly turn from dark blue to soft gold. Mark, as Elena, quietly, "It's so peaceful right now."
She used that quiet hour to write in a small journal, stretch her body gently, and plan her day calmly instead of rushing into it.
At first, it was just one morning. Then she tried it again the next day, and the next.
Slowly, small changes appeared. Elena felt less anxious throughout her workday. Her decisions felt clearer. She even started saving a small amount of money each week, simply because she had time to think carefully about her spending, instead of making rushed decisions.
6 months later, Elena's mornings looked completely different. A short walk, quiet reflection, a healthy breakfast, and a calm mind before the busy world even woke up. Mark, as Elena, smiling to herself. This hour is mine, nobody else's, just mine.
She began calling it her golden hour, the quiet, powerful time that slowly transformed her mindset, her health, and even her financial habits.
And that is the story of Elena and the golden hour that changed her life, one quiet morning at a time.
How 5 a.m. affects different areas of life.
Let's break down exactly how this simple habit connects to positivity, wealth, health, and mental well-being.
First, positivity. Starting your day calmly instead of rushing naturally puts you in a better mood. Small wins early in the day build confidence for the rest of it.
Next, wealth. Quiet morning time allows for clearer thinking, planning your goals, reviewing your spending, or even working on a personal project or side business, like Elena's coworker mentioned.
Then, health. Early mornings often allow time for light exercise, a proper breakfast, and better sleep habits overall, since early risers often go to bed earlier too.
And finally, mental well-being. That quiet, uninterrupted hour before phones start ringing and messages start arriving gives your mind space to breathe, reflect, and feel calm before the day's chaos begins.
It's not really about the number 5 specifically. It's about creating quiet, intentional time for yourself before the demands of the day take over.
Exactly. Even waking up 30 minutes earlier than usual can create a small version of this same effect.
Vocabulary recap from today's episode.
Let's recap the important words from today's episode.
Routine, a set of actions you repeat regularly.
Discipline, the ability to control yourself and follow a plan.
Productive, doing useful, effective work.
Mindset, a person's general attitude or way of thinking.
Well-being, a state of being healthy, happy, and comfortable.
Peace of mind, a calm, settled feeling, free from worry.
Try using 2 or 3 of these words to describe your own morning routine in the comments below.
Speaking practice.
Now, let's practice speaking. Repeat after Maloney and me.
I created a new morning routine.
Waking up early requires discipline.
I feel more productive in the morning.
A positive mindset helps me handle challenges.
This quiet hour gives me peace of mind.
Wonderful. These are great practical sentences for talking about habits and daily life.
Quick quiz. Let's test your understanding. True or false?
Number 1. Elena immediately loved waking up early on her very first morning.
Answer: false. The first morning was difficult for her.
Number 2. Waking up early gave Elena time to think clearly about her spending habits.
Answer: true. This helped her save money over time.
Number 3. Peace of mind means a calm, settled feeling, free from worry.
Answer: true. Exactly right.
Number 4. The number 5 specifically is the only time that creates this positive effect.
Answer: false. It's really about quiet, intentional time, even if it's just 30 minutes earlier than usual.
Exactly. Excellent work, everyone. You now understand both the vocabulary and a truly practical lesson for daily life.
Outro.
That's all for today's episode on the power of early mornings.
You don't need to change everything overnight. Even waking up just 15 or 30 minutes earlier can be a small, meaningful first step.
If you try it, tell us in the comments. How did your quiet morning hour feel?
If you enjoyed this episode, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need a little morning motivation.
See you in the next episode of Universal English Learners. Goodbye, and keep yearning, and maybe set that alarm a little earlier tomorrow.